Hi all, today we're going to be replacing the seat and spring on a laundry or utility type sink. You can see here the water is not turning off even when both handles are closed all the way. In my case, I know the right side is leaking. The first step is to turn off the water. You might have a fixture to shut off, but I don't, so I'm using the main valve. Now that the water is shut off, I can open the valve all the way and any remaining pressure is released. Next, I'm going to unscrew the faucet handle and remove the handle. Now I'll unscrew the cap and remove the cartridge. Now let's see what's back. In the back you can see the rubber seat which creates a seal against the cartridge to prevent the flow of water. Behind the seat is a spring. Here's a side view of how they fit together. I'm going to use a toothpick to help me pull the seat and spring out. At the bottom of the chamber is a hole where the water normally goes, and I don't want to accidentally drop the seat or spring down it. For inserting a new spring, I'm going to again use a toothpick to make sure everything lines up nicely. Now to check to make sure everything's in the right place, which it is. I can reassemble by placing the cartridge, cap, and handle back on. Finally, it's time to turn the water back on. And that's it. I hope this helps you.